So as you saw in the video, robotics is my great passion. This actually dates back to the teenage readings of books by Isaac Asimov. And when I started my PhD studies in robotics, I was thrilled to read Joseph Engelberger's book, Robots in Practice, with a foreword by the same Asimov. And during my professional career, I think I can say that I've educated generations of engineers and researchers in robotics and automation. Yet, as you realize from the video, I have another great passion in life, and that is Napoli. I've always felt privileged to be born, to grow up and work in Napoli. In 1986, after I finished my PhD studies at Università di Napoli Federico II, which is the oldest public university in the world, I decided to build my academic future in Napoli. I did so for my hometown and for my alma mater as a sign of gratitude, and I have to say that I declined a faculty position at the prestigious American university. But I should also express my gratitude to Diego Armando Maradona. Who took Napoli. Actually, I was here when Napoli played the semi-final of the UEFA League against Bayern München in the Olympia Stadium in 1989. So these were the golden times when Napoli won in Italy and in Europe. So this ultimately influenced my choice to be in Napoli. This city has been for me a school of life, both for professional and social opportunities. And I always felt a sort of responsibility and a potential at the same time of building an international school of robotics in Napoli. Receiving the world's most prestigious honor in my field, the Engelberger Robotics Award for Education, I think it's a true peak in my professional career. And I also want to mention this, that unlike other awards I've received, this one came out of the blue because I didn't know who was my nominator. Typically, you work with your nominator on the candidature for the award. So Jeff once sent me an email. I thought that he wanted to involve me maybe on the evaluation committee, and this was the good news to come. You know, I was here in this room 4 years ago for the same ceremony and the recipients of the award in 2018. So I wish to thank the Association for Advancing Automation, my distinguished colleagues in the robotics community, my research team at Prisma Lab, my students, and last but not least, my family and friends, for having always supported me during these years. As you saw in the video, and as my pals know, my inspirational motto is keep the gradient, as the constant search for new ideas and new solutions, a hint to complexity, to seize the challenges and the opportunities at the same time. So I conclude by saying that my humble wish is that from the futuristic visionary ideas and views of Asimov and Engelberger, our field will keep the gradient. And citing verbatim the motivation of the awards, of the Engelberger Award, altogether we will continue to contribute to the advancement of robotic science in the service of mankind. Thank you very much indeed from the very bottom of my heart.